Is your business drowning in data chaos today? We're diving deep into the Informatica vs Datastage showdown to help you choose the ultimate data integration champion. First, let's talk features. Informatica Power Center boasts a user-friendly interface with extensive pre-built transformations, making it a great option for teams needing quick implementation. On the other hand, Datastage, known for its parallel processing capabilities, offers robust features for complex data transformations and handling large data volumes. Performance is key. Datastage often shines with large datasets due to its parallel processing architecture. Informatica, while powerful, can sometimes lag with extremely high volumes but offers real-time data integration capabilities. Consider your current and future data needs when evaluating performance. Scalability is another crucial factor. Informatica is known for its flexible deployment options, including cloud and on-premises, allowing it to adapt to your growing business. Datastage is also highly scalable, but typically requires more upfront infrastructure investment. Now, let's discuss cost-effectiveness. Informatica's licensing model can be subscription-based, offering flexibility. Datastage often involves a more significant upfront investment, but its performance with massive datasets might justify the cost for some organizations. So, which tool wins? Informatica shines with user-friendliness, real-time integration, and flexible deployment. Datastage excels in handling massive datasets and complex transformations. The best choice depends entirely on your business requirements, budget, and technical expertise. Evaluate your needs carefully, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the data integration tool that will truly streamline your data operations. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into optimizing your data strategy.